Here's my hand, it's yours to hold. I give myself to you.
Here's my heart, please make it yours. I give my love to you.
We are two becoming one. Here I am, here's all of me. You have all that once was mine.
Yeah, here's my promise, I'm yours to hold. I'll stay here by your side.
Darren and Maria. Today is the day that they will formally and publicly make their promise to one another. Although this is indeed a high point, marriage is a journey, not a destination. Marriage is more than a single event or promise. So, with the promises you make this day, live always in your hearts and in your home, so that all which you share now deepen and grow through the years, leading you to a lifetime of happiness. Marriage is not a give and take relationship. It is a give. We promise to be together in mutual love and unbroken loyalty to each other as husband and wife. We promise to cherish the fruits of whatever faith may lay before you. So, since you wish to contract matrimony, please join your right hands together and repeat up with okay? Right hands together. But face each other muna. Pangalan mo. Thank you. Thank you. Yung pangalan niya. To be my lawful wedded wife. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love and honor you all the days of my life. Thank you. To be my lawful husband. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will honor and love you all the days of my life. So talagang kung meron po yun, wala na talagang sa tayo with that. Okay, so together, repeat after me, together. Grant us, O Lord. Grant us, O Lord.
Grant us, O Lord,
To be one heart
one heart
and one soul.
one soul.
From this day forward, for better or for worse,
For better, for worse,
for richer or poorer,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health, until death true love is never ending. The ring also is made of precious metal, just as true love is a precious treasure. So as you place the wedding ring on each other's hand, may it not only remind you of the endless love you possess for one another, but may it also be a reminder of the precious gift that has been given you to make you complete. You to be my wife,
To be my wife,
to have and to hold,
have at home,
for richer or for poorer,
picture up,
to joy and sorrow, and I promise my love to you.
and I promise
And with this ring, I take you as my wife
to love my wife
for as long
as long
as we both shall live.
Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last.
Poorer, with joy and sorrow, I promise my love to you. And with this ring, I take you as my husband for as long as we both shall live.
It's a home I've never known. I know will last.
I accept them, and in the same way, makes my dedication to the care of our home and the welfare of our children. Okay. Okay, good. Tapos ako, kaya na po yung sarili natin. So, I, by the authority of the law vested on me, in fulfillment of the law, and with the blessing of your parents and your sponsors, wedding sponsors, to verify, confirm, and ratify your marriage that you have contracted. I now pronounce you husband and wife, and declare you united in lawful marriage. Okay? So, therefore, ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you yung mga bagong Mr. and Mrs. Darren and Rhea Alpido.
For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine for a lifetime.
Pasok po kayo.
At ang dapat kung sakali bang ika'y mawala,
Mrs. Wilma Valdez.
ang nadarama.
Mr. Ronnie Disola.
Hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako.
Wakas ay mahanap ko na rin.
And Mrs. The parents of the bride. Wala po dito si Sir Wilfredo.
Naitagalin na magtatagal.
Mr. Danilo Calvino. Your hand. The groom and the bride. Mr. and Mrs. Calvino. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Darren and Rhea, bilang mga pangalawang magulang nyo, kung sakali man na magkaroon kayo ng problema, may manakagan ang sinasabi ko kung sakali lang po, narito kami, huwag kayong magdalawang isip na lumapit sa amin. Kaya lang kami kinuha ng mga mamatapan nyo na maging kumpari nila kasi alam nila na kami, karaman nyo kami kung sakali kakailangan nyo kami. So, ang magpapayo ko lang para tumagal ang ating ng relasyon. Kung sakaling galit yung isa, medyo huwag nating sabayan. Kasi dilipas din yan. Yun lang mga anak.
Thank you, Kap. Maraming salamat po. Mrs. Melvina Tan. Message.
Congratulations, wishes sa inyo. Ngayon, pumasok kayo sa panibagong chapter ng buhay. So, sana kahit anong struggle yun, matagan nyo lang ang sarili nyo sa bawat problema, kahit anong subok yan. Nandito lang kami para malalay sa inyo. Again, congratulations.
Maraming salamat.
Karen, Nia, dati lang kami pagkakanyayo. Matatagin nyo at magsasama yung asawa. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Karen, Ria, congratulations. Ako yun, ang asawa dapat give and give. So at mahalan kayo. Congratulations again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations to both of you. Ang masasabi ko naman nun, marriage is not really a better process. So you have to be prepared doon sa mga thorns ng buhay later on. But it's all up to you guys to make it really work out. Ang napaka-importante niyan is you have to be transparent to each other. Siyempre, andun na kasi yung love. That's why you get married. Andun na yung, you have to strengthen your trust to each other. Be transparent to each other. Dapat walang liniman. At saka kahit na anong mangyari sa buhay, dapat kapit lang. Ilagay niyo ang Panginoon sa gitna ninyong dalawa and everything will follow. Be happy and congratulations once again. At dito lang kami later on. If in case you need advices, you know, sabi na ni Mayora, dapat ready kayong mga sponsors, principal sponsors for to get into or to not really to change yung ano, to help your parents regarding mental, financial, okay lang yun, or spiritual. You can always ask us for that. So don't worry, we are just there. Congratulations. Good morning, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ating lahat. At sa Mr. and Mrs., congratulations. Wala na akong ibang masasabi kasi nasabi na lahat ng mga ninong-ninaw. So, congratulations na lang. If you have a problem someday, just ask me. Punta lang kayo. Nandun lang ako. Alam mo na.
Alam nyo na.
Alam mo na bahay ko, di ba? Thank
Alam
you.
nyo na.
Mahal na mahal kita palagi. Saka salamat sa lahat na mag-aalaga, pray mo sa akin. Thank you. Pagmamahal mo palagi. Love you.
Diba? Ma'am, message niyo po kay Sir Lalan. Sige, ma'am, kaya niyo. Mahal na mahal ka lang. Kiss! Kiss! Sir, isa pa, 1 to 10. Kiss po, 1 to 10. Kiss po, kiss. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 10. Palakpakan po natin ang
To a sky filled up with diamonds.
Palakpakan po natin.
When I make love to you,
Mrs. Sumi Calputura.
I celebrate my love for you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Second honor, Kapitan Eduardo Santos. Palakpakan po natin.
There'll be no
Thank you very much, sir.
between us. What are your loves to do?
Third honors, si ating naka-flower. Thank you very much, ate.
Tonight I celebrate my love for you.
Aabot na sa EDSA, guys.
This aura will seem brand new.
We will both discover our friends turning to lovers
When I'm in love to
Thank you, Mom.
I celebrate my love for you, and the midnight sun is gonna come
Thank you po, Ma'am Teresita Hidalgo.
tonight. There'll be no distance between us.
Thank you, Ma'am.
What I want most to do is to get close to you. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. Tonight.
Marami pa pong space, Ma'am. Pag wala na pong space na, meron pa po sa likod ko. Malawak na malalawak ko, yung likod ko.
Not sure if you know where we first met. I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment I found the one
Thank you, Ma'am. Makapal po yata, kaya ayaw patusok.
This
Thank you po.
peace. So as long as I live for love,
Huwag po tayong mahiyang tumayo.
haven't hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to the very last, grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches. Build you fire with the furnace flames. It could be so nice going on with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, need you, even let you hold the remote. I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind. Swim every ocean just to be with you. Fix what I broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see.
Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of
Coming and attending this special day of Darin and Ria. So, hope you enjoy this day. Good morning and God bless us all.
Magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. Gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat po yung dumalo ngayong sa special na araw po namin ng mag-asawa. Thank you po sa lahat, sa mga ninong, ninang, sa mga tumulong sa tamang paganda to, sa catering, tsaka sa mga kapatid ko na tumulong, tsaka sa mga ibang kasama pa. Thank you po sa lahat. Yun lang po.
like I'm watching the night skies or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much they hold, and just like them old stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, and when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you'll find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn, some even fall to the earth, and we've got a lot to learn, but God knows we're worth it. Oh, I won't give up, no. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got, and yeah, we got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, and who I am. The skies get rough, I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, I'm still looking up. No, I won't give up on us. God knows I'm tough enough. We've got a lot to I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again.
Isang subscribe naman dyan mga idol.